Alright guys, we want to try some different things in the Koyos air fryer. We're going to try some breaded fish and also some breaded tomatoes and see what we can come up with. Do here is we want to season that up, and so we're going to add some onion powder to it. Now you can adjust your seasoning. I don't measure much. We're going to put a liberal amount of onion powder. We're going to put in some garlic powder. Again, enough. I like to taste the powders in it. Some black pepper. And then what we're going to do is we want to mix this together, but I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil just to add a little moisture to this. And then we're going to dip our tomatoes and also our fish in an egg to so it sticks. And then we're going to roll it in here, and then we're going to cook it in the air fryer and see how it comes out. I've breaded fish before and done it different ways, never in an air fryer, but I've never done a red tomato. We're going to try that as an experiment. Alright, we're going to coat our tomatoes here in the thing. I'm going to dip a little egg on them just to help the coating hold on there. Just kind of drop it off, and then just dip it here into the panko breadcrumbs. Just a little bit of egg there, and we're going to go ahead and coat all these up here nicely. We're going to keep on doing that till we get them all, get a nice coating onto each one of our tomato slices. Alright guys, we also have some tilapia here, and we're going to go ahead and coat our tilapia in some egg. Just kind of let it drip off here, and then again lay it into our breadcrumbs. Get them nicely coated up here. Second piece the same way. Go ahead and coat it in the egg, and right over to our breadcrumbs here. Alright, so we've preheated our air fryer up here. We're going to pause it here. Now I'm going to adjust the time right now to 13 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead, make sure our temperature is at the 180 mark. Alright, the countdown's on, 12 seconds, and we're going to kind of see what it looks like here. It'll stop here. Smells really, really good. I mean, this thing just smells awesome. So here we go, one, and there it is, it ends. So let's check this out. Well, you know something, it looks pretty good. We're going to take it out and give it a try. They're nice and crispy, just a very, very back edge. Looks to be not even burnt, but just a little dark. So let's pull them out and give them a try. Alright, there they are. This is sliced tomatoes with breading. I use panko breadcrumbs, and we also have some tilapia. Let's just cut into it. You know, it looks to be done. Give this a try and see how it tastes. Very good, guys. This worked out. So this was another recipe we did in the Quest air fryer. It's working out good, guys. Alright guys, there you go. We did breaded tomatoes and fried fish in the air fryer. I was surprised, never did breaded tomatoes before, and it was remarkably good. Give it a try sometimes. Hey, if you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, comments, leave it in the section below. If you're not a subscriber, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell at the top if you want to be notified of our next video. Guys, we'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs. Or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.